Hey, macros will be at the end of the day, so fast forward to the macros time. Anyway, so yeah, let's see what we got today. Let's see what last night's Terri made for us. I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Y'all, look at this fog. Whenever it's better now because the sun's coming up. But when I was just at a couple stop signs, I had to get a car's length from the light before I could tell if it was green or red. It was so out, like look over there where the sun is not. That's how it was. It's just stunning to look at though. Just not the most fun to drive in. But look, there's Mr. Sunshine just trying to come through. He says, "I'm coming, Terri. I'm coming as fast as I can. Don't be so bossy." But look out there. Yeah, so I literally had to be about a car's length from the place where you would stop at the stoplight in order to see if it was green or red. So, all right, bye. Also, just for the record, my scale this morning was 182. So I understand I did not track for 3 days. So please know that. It's not like I think, oh, gee, willikers, my scale should have gone down. No, I didn't track for 3 days in a row. But what I do know, or what I've heard people say, and I need to do the research for it, I have heard people say that creatine, got to get my stuff straight. Creatine causes the muscles to retain fluid. Now, I do not know what kind of that context is. So I don't, boy, my mirror is foggy. Hang on. That's a little better. I think it's because it's foggy in general. But anyway, so yeah, I've heard that, close enough. I've heard that creatine does cause muscles to retain fluid, but I don't know if it's because, for a person that's working out, and so because they're working out, the muscles are growing and blah, blah, blah. So I need to do a little research on that. But anyway, not that it matters. My scale did not go down because, that's good, because Terri did not eat. So, okay, bye. Terri did not eat and track every day. Hey, macros will be at the end of the day, so fast forward to the macros time. Anyway, so yeah, let's see what we got today. Let's see what last night's Terri made for us. We have 180 grams of ground beef, and people have asked me, and I think I might have answered. Some people have asked, why do I use grams? Well, there's 28 grams in 1 ounce. And a lot of my containers, like my Rayos or the Parmesan cheese that I have today, they are already in grams. So just for my brain and consistency, I just go with grams across the board. It doesn't tell it. I can't look at something and be like, oh, that's 200 grams. No, but that's what my scale is for. So if everything is done by weight, then like even when I'm making recipes and stuff, then if it's all plugged in by weight, then whenever I make it and I just set my bowl on the scale, I know how much to pull out of that, that recipe. So we have 180 grams of cooked ground beef, 14 grams of tallow, 75 grams of Rayos. Bet you know what I'm having, Italian. And then I have some Parmesan that was Asiago and Romano, and I have 7 grams of that. Yeah, it's going to be amazing. Where'd you go? Because I have not plugged that in, so I need that. So this is what it looks like. Somebody might say, girl, that ain't carnivore. And I say, girlfriend, boyfriend, I ain't carnivore. I am Terri. So I'm just trying to... I shouldn't say it. The impulse control has been so much better since I've cut out a lot of the things I was eating prior to this, the salads and stuff. And I ain't saying I'm never bringing them back. Don't get me wrong. But just for right now, it's really doing good for my mental health. So, Got Parmesan cheese. And Greek seasoning. You know I did that. How's your day going? Today's my Monday. Work's going good. No big issues. I ain't fired yet. That's always a good day. So, yeah, this weekend, I didn't track Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I didn't have any, like, really off-plan foods. I mean, a salad and veggies, those aren't red light foods. Now, if I would have said I ate, I don't know, peanut butter and jelly sandwich and 3 pieces of bread, and like my birthday weekend, at the Lamberts, oh yeah, that was all red foods. But anyway, yeah, so I'm not stressed about my weight being 182 this morning. I know I'm holding on some fluids. I did look it up, and you can hold about anywhere from 1 to 3 pounds if you take creatine. So, but do I think this weight this morning was creatine? No. Because I've been using creatine since before our trip to Florida. I just went from chewables to powder. So I'm just trying to see if there's much difference. I don't know if I really noticed much difference between them. But anyway, so, all right. Well, that's what I got going. And today's a good day. So my Monday, your Wednesday. Oh, happy Wednesday. Tomorrow's video, tomorrow I will have pool, but that video doesn't show up till Saturday. So, all right. I love you all, and I hope you have a good day. So we're back on it. So this weekend, payday, Terry, when you go to Walmart's grocery shop, don't be getting something sassy. Just stay on it. Don't be getting you a dadgum chuck roast, because you don't need that extra calories. So, but if that's what I choose to get for extra calories instead of nuts, I'll be happy with it. So, all right, bye. What up, home cheese? How you doing? I'm doing okay. I'm home from work. I got my Singular. I got the thing from the I use a Walmart market, and I got the dealie saying your medication is in. So I went and picked that up. I actually went to pick it up yesterday, but at the Walmart market on weekends they only have one pharmacist on duty, and so they close at I think 1:30 to 2. So, because of that, I went by yesterday and it wasn't time. But anyway, so after you and I are done chit-chatting, I'm going to get this put in here. Because it's that time of year, y'all. The weather is going back and forth and can't make up its mind. So then my sinuses can't make up its mind. How many did they send me? Oh, 90. Okay. All right, we'll get to that in a minute. Or I'll get to that in a minute. So, macros at the end, like I said. What is this? This is pork. Let me move this way. This is pork steaks with some seasoning on it. And I had some frozen pork broth. And I thought, how fun. So I broke off a piece and I put it in there, and let's see. That and some balsamic vinegar. I'm about to lose y'all. But I don't know, I felt kind of like some broth. And maybe it's because I'm a little sickly. Anyway, so, now, tonight's creamy. It's butterscotch. So what I've been doing is I've been running it on light ice cream. And then after it gets done, I kind of smush it down a little bit because it's still a little powdery-ish. And if I smush it down, it is the perfect texture. So this is butterscotch. Butterscotch keto chow. Y'all know, if you ever wants to try some keto chow, I got a code in the description of this video. I promise. I hate whenever I watch this video is sponsored by blah, blah, blah. Whenever, all the time. Yeah, I don't do that too often. But, so, I had a good day today. Like I said, today is my Monday. So, hopefully you all had a good day too. So, I'm just going to sit here and get these put in. And I checked with Judy. I told y'all yesterday that we both just kind of felt poopy. I checked with her on my drive home. She said she's taking her Mucinex and taking some Tylenol every 4 hours. And she broke out her special nose spray that her doctor prescribed. And she's feeling better today too. So we're both feeling up to snuff. It's so funny. I've told y'all before. I grew up here and she farted in her buttermilk, didn't she? But that's really kind of a crass thing to say. But I grew up hearing it. And so whenever I was at pool Thursday night, I said that, and they were like, "I ain't never heard that before." I'm like, "What?" And so I asked a few others, and they hadn't either. I'm like, "What is wrong with you people?" So they'd never heard that. And I said, "Well, what about messed in their nest?" One of them had heard of that. These people, they're just missing out. They're missing out on these things. All right. I love you. Macros at the end. Bye. This is my same old morning coffee. Never changes. I have the same thing. And then this is my work lunch. You can see everything I had and the amounts. And you can see the macros for that meal. Then this is my afternoon coffee at work. You can see the macros for that. This is my supper tonight and my heavy cream that I have with the dogs. And there's my total macros for the day. Thanks for watching, guys.